What does it mean when a girl ghosts you? Hello everyone, it's Fabien, your coach here to guide and help you win back your ex or a girl you like who ghosted you. In this video, I will explain what it truly means when a girl ghosts you. For several years, I've privately coached men to win back a girl, and trust me, just because a girl you like is ghosting you, it doesn't mean she's completely uninterested or that it's 100% over. Based on hundreds of hours of coaching plus my personal experience, I will list the 5 main reasons that explain what it means when a girl is ghosting you. The first meaning is that it's simply a test. Yes, women test men consciously and subconsciously. Why do they do this? Because during the seduction process, women need to select the best partner for themselves. I didn't say the most handsome, richest, or I don't know, like the most muscular, but the one they feel the best with. And to filter through the men trying their luck, a woman will consciously or unconsciously test those pursuing her. For example, if she ghosts you as a test and instead of staying cool, you panic, spam her with messaging demanding explanations, or call her repeatedly, you've lost and failed her test. You have shown her that despite seeming like a cool guy, you can easily lose your composure. The second meaning is that it might simply be her forgetting. Between WhatsApp groups with her friends and all other social media and the endless notifications she gets, trust me, girls are often overwhelmed by messages. Try this next time you are in a relationship. Compare your notifications to your girlfriend's. You will see how your message can easily get buried in the flood of other texts and notifications. If it's just another site, a simple message like, was my message that bad, or do you like playing hard to get, is more than enough. A woman who is ghosting can also mean she's not emotionally ready. And let me give you an example for this third meaning. I had a client about 3 months ago who told me how amazingly well his first dates with this girl were going. They were on the same wavelength and shared the same values. Then one day, radio silence. My client was blindsided. He never expected such a beautiful, intense start to a relationship to just vanish overnight. He contacted me, and 48 hours after our first phone call, he got a reply from her. Fast forward to today, they've been back together for 2 days. Meanwhile, the girl he almost lost confessed to him one morning that when she suddenly stopped replying, it was because she wasn't emotionally ready for a new relationship. But his attitude during that tough period convinced her. Once she was ready to commit to him. Of course, I had shared all my best strategies with this client to handle the situation flawlessly and avoid mistakes, and it worked. And this led me to the fourth meeting. I remember another story with a different client. The woman he wanted had ghosted him simply because she was afraid. This woman was emotionally ready for a new relationship, but she was terrified of getting her heart broken because everything with my client seemed too perfect. So she panicked and vanished without explanation. By keeping his cool and applying my strategies, this client first managed to reopen communication, and then, using the storytelling technique, he made her feel safe and secure. Their relationship picked up right where it left off. Finally, the fifth and last meaning when a woman ghosts you, she's just not interested anymore. I know it's hard to hear, but before moving on, I believe it's important to try everything to win back the woman you truly want. Of course, you should never cross boundaries, but at least you won't be left with regrets. Maybe she found a better option than you. Maybe you came across as too needy or not confident enough. There are countless factors beyond your control, so it might be not even your fault, but there are just as many factors within your control, meaning you could be 100% responsible for her pulling away. Whatever your situation, if the girl you want is ghosting you and you don't know whether it's a test, an oversight, fear of commitment, emotional unreadiness, or pure disinterest, click the link in the description. My team and I will listen to your story and craft a step-by-step plan to win her back. We'll help you implement techniques rooted in human psychology and neuroscience, and even draft curiosity-piquing messages to get her responding again. The consultation is free, so click below now.